Number 24, this is another one of the ones that I took out because, we really haven't worked on this much. And so I know it can be a little confusing, but let me go ahead and show you what we're doing on this problem. It says, which model represents 6 divided by 1/8? Alright, so what I want you to remember is if you're saying 6 divided by 1/8, let me try to move down here. 6 divided by 1/8. If you're thinking division, let's look at a simple division problem, like 15 divided by 5. Your brain would be going, how many 5s are there in 15? Well, you know that's 3 because you've been doing that since you were a first grader, kindergartner, first grader, second grader, whatever. So when we look at this, let's just look at another one. How about 10 divided by 2? Your brain should be saying how many 2's are in 10. Well, that's 5. So on this one, your brain would be saying how many 1/8 are there in 6 holes. So you start with 6 holes, you want to figure out how many 1/8 there are. Now these pictures get a little confusing. That's another reason I threw them out. A lot of you picked G, okay, because there are 6 holes and they are divided into 8 parts. But the problem with this is it doesn't count all the 1/8. It only counted 1 out of each of the 6 holes. So that's not all of the 1/8. In order for this picture to work, you would have to count all of the circles in the 6 holes. So the reason this one doesn't work is because it only did 1 circle for each of the 6 holes. So that one is not right. The one that is correct is F. If you look, there are 6 holes right here. And then below that, they show you a picture of them divided into 8 pieces. So there's 8 pieces in this one. This one, there's another 8, which makes 16. Another 8, another 8, another 8, and another 8 for a total of 48 pieces. Well, that makes sense. If each hole is divided into 8 parts, there's 8 eighths, and you've got 6 holes, and each of them have 8 pieces. 6 times 8 is 48, and so that's why the answer is F.